If you have been following along with this series, you will know that we are attempting to set up a template drawing and a drawing environment that's going to make Landscape Designer much more efficient. We've been working on a template drawing that's called LHFA, and we've made a lot of adjustments to this template, most of which can't be seen. The visible ones that you see here, for the sake of argument, I've made sure that the line type pattern works. There's a zigzag line there. I've made sure that the dimension styles that are in this template drawing work the way I want them to work, and so on. I've even set up a multi-line command, so I can say draw multi-line and draw double brick wall. So that these have all been set up along with text styles, an appropriate list of text styles. The standard style has been left as current. We've set up a whole series of drawing sheets, and we've put the title block that we've been working on each of those sheets. So we're nearly ready to roll. I've inserted a couple of symbols, and I just wanted to make sure that the associated plant data file enables the smart plant label to work. Let's just have a very quick look at the plant data file that's attached to it. Here it is here. Lots of information in there. Some 400 individual species there that work for the Paris environment are in that list, so that should be enough plants to work with. Their pot size and cost is there, so we can cancel here. And we should be able to use the system to set data to a plant, and then we should be able to use the smart plant label. So let's label this one here. We pick it, we hit enter, we'll opt for a leader. First point of the leader will be here, will come out there. Do we want to pick up the code from that species list that we just looked at? Yes. I don't want the botanical name or common name or even the count, because this is a single species. Sorry, I should have said no to that last prompt. So I've got one Abelia grandiflora with G, which will correspond to one of the plants, one of the Abelias in the plant schedule. And it's that's the very first, of course, in the list, ABGRG, Abelia grandiflora. Let's widen the list, gold spot. So everything seems to be working and working happily. I'll eliminate all of those. So we're left with, and I'll also change my view back to a background color of black. So there we have a template file that we can use. I've also put that template in a folder called LHFA, the name of the design consultancy. What I'm going to do now is to tune gCADPlus to look in that folder for various things. The first we'll try will be under Library, and we'll look at the block Library Paths, and we have a special option, MySymbols. Currently it points to blocks, plants in the gCADPlus folder under Documents. We're going to change that. We're going to say on this PC, in the C drive, in a folder called LHFA, that's where we're going to look when we pick that option. So now if we come up here and we say Library, Plants, MySymbols, here we are looking at this design consultancy's particular folder, and I can scroll through and you can see we have a large number of plants that is used by this design consultancy. So that's really made things much, much smoother. We still have access to all of the other named series that are part of gCADPlus, but we've put a special group of symbols that our favourites, if you like, are now able to be reached by this particular configuration of gCADPlus. The final piece in the jigsaw is to tell gCADPlus that we don't want to use the templates delivered with the gCADPlus program itself. we want to use this one that we've been working on. If we pick File and New, we get this Select Template Drawing dialog box come. You'll notice down here DIR. That enables us to go to, in this case, the C drive. Whoops. And I can navigate to my LHFA folder that we've been working on. Notice that I've added a lot of things in there, some logo details and so on, but I'll just pick templates. So we're going to say to gCADPlus, when you start a new drawing, look in the templates folder in this particular folder, and we'll say OK. And a little description, which is taken from that template drawing, appears, and we can say OK. So now whenever we pick a new name, a new drawing, our template, we just say OK. Do we want to save it? We'll say no for the moment. Everything that we have been working with in this rather long and development program is already there. So we can work with our layers, we can work with our dimension styles, we can attach a plant schedule, reattach one, there's already one there, the one called Paris tab, and we can edit it and add to it, add more codes and work our way through here and save things. So we're in an environment where everything is super organized. We can find any plants in a library via MySymbols, and you'll see how easy it is to navigate. We can go into our details, pick up a north point that we've developed, outdoor tables, a trampoline, and so on. So it becomes very, very easy to navigate through, and we'd add more and more folders to this. That title up drawing we were working on is there. So we've tuned gCADPlus, hopefully shown you how to tune it for efficient drafting.